In this video, we'll look at conducting a search from the database APA PsycINFO. From the library homepage, click on the link for databases A to Z. From there, click on the letter A, and then scroll down and click on APA PsycINFO. You can begin by entering your search terms in the search box. We'll do a search for the effects of music on stress. As you begin to type, the autocomplete feature appears with popular searches or publications that you can click to quickly perform a search. As you scroll down, you'll see different journal articles that apply to music and stress. But before we select one, I want to show you a couple more ways you can narrow or expand your search. Starting at the search screen again, you can click on the Subjects tab to identify and include similar terms into your search. If we type in stress, PsycINFO will display all the different terms related to that word. You can select the box labeled Explode next to stress and then add to search to include them in a search. You can also narrow your search by using some of the filters located at the top of the search results screen. From here, we can select full text, options only. We can also search for results that have been published within a specific time frame. In this case, we'll do in the past 5 years. And you can also select peer-reviewed journal articles. There are additional filters which you can include by clicking where it says All Filters, where you can further limit your results by such limiters as language and even methodology, where you can select whether you want to use a quantitative or qualitative study. Going back to the results, let's select one of them. As we click on the record screen for this article, you'll want to note a few things on here that may be helpful. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there's a section called Abstract. So the Abstract section is a brief description or summary of the results findings for this study. So that can help you determine whether you want to even use this article and whether it would be helpful for your research. There's also a section here called Subjects. These are different terms or keywords that have been attached to this article, and that can also help you decide whether you want to use it. As we scroll back up, there are a few things in the top right that you'll want to take note of. One of them is the Cite button. As you click on this, you are given different options on how you might want to cite this in different citation styles. Click on the drop-down menu and arrow to select one that is appropriate for your research project. In this case, we'll select APA 7th edition. You'll notice this citation appears, and from here you can copy and paste this to your clipboard to paste into your document. You may want to double check with the API style guide to make sure that the citation is accurate before you submit your assignment. Also in the top right tools section, there's a button called Share. When you click on this, you'll see an option for email. If you click on this, you can type in your email address and then send it to yourself. To look at the full article, you have a couple of options. One of them is the drop-down menu right here for access options. You can either select PDF to download it or online full text to read it within your browser. And from here, we can read through the entire article. We also have options at the top of the screen to print it out or to download it if you want to save it. These are some of the ways you can search APA PsycINFO. If you have any questions, please contact us for further help. Thank you.